Hey everyone, today we are going to build a simple and attractive alarm clock app using C Sharp Windows Forms. This is a beginner friendly project and perfect if you are learning C Sharp desktop application development. First, I created a new Windows Forms project in Visual Studio. Then I designed a simple dark themed user interface with a digital clock display, a time picker, and two buttons for settings and stopping the alarm. After that, I add the alarm logic. When the current system time matches the selected alarm time, the application plays a beep sound and shows an alarm message. The set alarm button saves the selected alarm time and the stop alarm button cancels the alarm. Our alarm clock app is now working successfully.